Hey guys, welcome to Coding Simplified, and today we'll see that how we can reverse a linked list iteratively. So we have this linked list where we have the 12, 99, 8, 39 and 5, and our aim is to reverse the list, right? So what we will do, we'll take the help of the 3 pointers. One, we have the next, then we have the previous, and we have the node. So node pointer will take care of the current node, and previous node will take care of the previous node, and next will take care of the next node, right? So using these pointers, will reverse the list one by one. So at the starting, our next and previous would be null, and our node will pointing to the current node. So now what we will do, we'll say that now first of all do next equals to node of next. So now our next would be node of next be 99. Now we'll do that node of next should point to previous. So node of next means 12 of next should point to previous, which is null. And now do previous equals to node and node equals to next. So now previous will point to 12 and node will point to next, which is 99, right? So by this way, what we have done, we have isolated 12 and we have pointed the next of this one to the null. And now we'll do operation on this one. Now again it will do the same thing. First of all, it will take the next of this one, so which is 8. Now it will say the node of next should point to previous. So now 99 of next will point to previous, which is 12. And now we'll do previous equals to 99 and node will be 8, right? Again we'll do the same thing. Now next will be 39 and this 8 will point to 99 and node will be 99 again. Now again we'll do the same thing. In this case, now next will be 5 and 99 will point to this 8 because 8 is the previous. So 99 of next should point to 8. Now at the last, when next will be null and our previous will be 5 and our node will be null, right? So we'll say that when node will be null, it means now you have reached till the end of the linked list, and now you can return the previous node. So now you can see that when you will return the previous node, this 5, so now all are pointing to the back, right? So now 5 is pointing to 39, 39 is pointing to 8, 8 is pointing to 99 and 99 is pointing to 12, right? So by this way we have reversed the linked list, right? And the complexity of this linked list is of this operation is big of n, because we are traversing the list once and we are traversing the full linked list. So the complexity is big of n. So now we'll show you that how we can do it in Java code through Eclipse. So here I have the linked list, and here I have the function reverse iteratively where I'm passing the head node, right? So let me show you by using debug. So here first of all it will check that if node equals to null or node of next of null, then return node. It means if there is only single node, then there is no need to reverse, we'll simply return node. Else we'll initialize the previous and next will be null. Now we'll check until node is not equal to null, right? And first we'll say next equal to node of next. Now node of next should point to previous and previous will be node and node will be next, right? So this process will run until node is not null, and when node is null, then our previous would be pointing to the last node, which is 5 in our case. So at the last, return this previous, right? So here we have had, and if you print the list, so you can see our list is completely reversed. So the now 5 is the head node, 39, 8, 99 and 12, right? So that is how we have reversed our linked list iteratively. And the complexity of this problem is big of n, because we are traversing list once. And so that's it guys, and if you have any doubts regarding this video, so write in the comment section, or if you like the video, then please like it and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.